Woo! This is a different type of DIY on this channel, guys, because it could save your kid's life. Hey, I'm Dre with Coolest Mama DIY, and now that we're done that over dramatic intro that I just did, you might have guessed we're talking about it, coronavirus, and we're actually crafting about it because it's really hard to find these masks for kids. Now, full disclosure, guys, you clicked on a channel called Clueless Mama DIY. I'm not pretending that I know everything to know about this virus, but what I do know is prevention never hurt nobody. So you need to have masks that say N95 and that are legitimate masks and not knockoffs. So there's something about that, don't ask me, that makes it actually work. But here's the thing, it's super difficult to find that for your kids. And who in the family has the weaker immune system? The kids and the elderly folks. I'm going to show you how to make the masks once you have them fit tightly, smoothly, and snugly to your child, which is super important if you want them to actually be effective. If this is all you can find and afford to buy, and you have a 3-year-old like mine, show them. I won't put it on, they'll get the point. It would cover his whole face. You see that, guys? So we're gonna make this fit, and hopefully he will try it on after. Alright, so here's one of the boxes I picked up from Lowe's.ca. I'm going to link what I can find for you guys on Amazon that is N95 approved with respirator. Now, beware when you go on Amazon, especially looking for kids stuff, you're going to come across a lot of stuff that isn't N95 approved, even if you search that. And a lot of the stuff is questionable about if it's credible, even if it does say N95. So do your research, and I'll do my best to link the appropriate things for you below. And also, these kind of surgical masks do not actually prevent you from catching viruses like coronavirus. These are designed so that you do not spread viruses to other people. So if you do have a cold or you have flu-like symptoms, it is a good idea to wear this just in case you do have coronavirus, you're not spreading it. So this is the prevention type, and now we are going to modify it, DIY it into a kid's version, which I haven't really been able to find. So you need a glue gun, and yes, my glue gun is a hot mess. Get it? Hot mess. I might actually do a how to clean your glue gun video because I need to learn how to do that. And you do want a heavy duty glue stick. I'll link what I use below because you do want to make sure that the seal you're doing is strong. This little metal clip on the top that was at a frame is to shape around the nose, so that is flexible for kids. And I'm just going down the center exactly in line with where the center of that nose piece will be. And I'm cutting up to the respirator, but there's this little tough ridge where you can feel you don't want to cut into that. So I would say it's about ½ an inch away or 75% of an inch away. So once I have that straight cut, which is completely in line, as you can see, with the little divot they have for the nose area, I have it all parallel. I'm going to take those edges and just over flap them to make it as small as I think as it's going to fit my son. So now hot glue can absolutely be a barrier. You want to make sure you use enough that it is fully covered so that it actually does work as a seam-like barrier. I saw another YouTuber do this, and I'm going to link his video below in case you need to see another one, but it's pretty straightforward. And you just want to make sure you have enough glue in there to make it an actual barrier so that the seam of the mask is very tight, which is the most important. So I've got this nice and tight in all of the areas there. I've got good coverage, and I think this size is going to be quite good. You could also adapt the actual straps. They are just on by a staple, so you could adjust that, but my son's got a little bit of a big head, so we're gonna see how this works out. And that's just the side-by-side comparison. How does that feel, buddy?
Good.
It's comfy?
Yeah.
Good.
And what do you need?
Oh, just making sure it fits good.
A piece of black piece.
Yeah?
I guess we need peace.
Alright guys, hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell if you like more DIYs, mostly home decor, or you appreciated this video. And share this with family and friends who are looking to prepare for anything. You can throw this in your emergency kit and hopefully, hopefully we don't have to actually use it to fight off anything. Why are you scrunching here?